Today in the livestock market, let's start with cattle. It definitely firmed up, and it's a key reversal. A solid rebound shows a significant support, and we knew that it would come because the oversold futures just had to turn around at some point. But finally, I think the prices got to be attractive enough so that bargain hunters can step right in. We are barely getting started with the grilling season, with the weather being as bad as it is. That also is, kind of playing with some of the logistics as well in the cattle market. So that definitely is kind of playing a little bit of havoc on moving things around. Although we do have plentiful supplies, right now we're seeing the futures getting a little bit of a boost, and we were hoping for that because feeders also rallied, and I think they kind of led the way, and it told us that the market is really on the move. I think that there is some short covering there to underpin those futures. Everyone who really liquidated at the top right now are taking their profit off the table and starting to get long. The open interest is really surging as the liquidators start to buy back that position, and they're really focused on long-term growth, and they expect that when we finally do get the grilling season on the run a little bit for this summer, that we could see the market start to trend back higher again. But higher volatility is still in the air. Now, the hogs today were mixed. The futures stabilized, and we're still waiting a resolution. Right now, the traders don't know exactly which way to go, and that's why we're seeing a little bit of consolidation and kind of sideways movement. Hope of a resolution just can't be overlooked right now, and I think the cash prices did firm up, but trade talks breaking down kind of affects the global markets, so we're not exactly sure. We do have some plentiful supplies, and we know that China is in need of huge exports from the U.S., but that door just hasn't opened yet, and the African swine fever still persists. So that's another issue that's on the back burner, but it's going to come front and center and be a part of this issue going forward. So I think that right now everyone's just consolidating. We'll wait and start again on Monday and see what the complex looks like across the board for all of livestock.